Oi, oi, watch your blokes and blokettes. I'm not sure what she's up to. I have a couple of car-related errands to do this afternoon, so I figured why not take you along with me. I've got to drop in to see Fiona, drop in a couple of new replacement front fog lights for her. She is having her bodywork done at a friend of mine, Smith's Auto Body, down in Burlington. So I have a little look around her, and then there's something else that I've got to do, but I'm not going to let you know what that is yet. You'll have to find out later in the video. So I'm going to shut up, going to take Audrey, hop in there, and we'll meet again when I'm down at Smith's Auto Body in Burlington. See you soon. Toodle-pip. Watcher, blokes and blokettes, you're through to Oi Works. I'm the Baldy Brit Bloke, and this is my YouTube channel. Oi oi! Oi oi! Please subscribe, please like, please comment, please share. Oi oi! So just here on the left is NV Auto, and they have some flipping nice cars in there. Flipping nice cars. Good people as well. Okay, arrived at Smith's Auto Body. Fiona is residing in there. So here's the foggies. Nice new shiny glass. Yeah, one of them was smashed, and where I live now there's loads of construction going on around, new home surveys going in, and there's stones and crap all over the road, and the trucks flick them up as they're driving along, and yeah, it smashed one of the foggies. So let's go on to the next location. It will probably take me 20, maybe half an hour, depending on the traffic, to get there. Okay, this is the turning I need. Winston Churchill Boulevard. Well, blokes and blokettes, here we are. I have been wanting to come here for a while, but it's a little bit of a trek from home now. And I was speaking to a guy at the racetrack, a new friend of mine, who is one of the marshals at Cayuga Raceway, and he told me this is where I need to come to get what I'm looking for. So I'm not too sure if they'll let me film inside. So I'm going to turn the camera off. Oi oi! Well, I got what I came here for, so that's pretty cool. I'll show you when I get home. Loving it. Flipping impressive shop. I took a couple of snaps which I'm going to drop on Instagram. I didn't ask if I could film in there. There was a few customers, and I haven't got used to this sort of asking for permission to film thing yet. Oh well, time to head home. I noticed the traffic was building up on the other side as I came along, so it'll probably take me an hour and a half, hour and 3/4 now. See you soon. Okay, I'm going to show you what I got at JRP online. It's a couple of days later now. I'd hoped to show you when I got home, but I got caught up doing something else. So yeah, let's open those two boxes and I'll give you a little spiel on what's going on. So in this one, it is a racing helmet. So, quite pleased with that. It's only an entry level one, but to be honest, I don't really know how often I'm going to use it, but it will allow me, if I get the opportunity of a ride along in some of the cars at the track, to have a helmet. So that's the first box. Let's have a look at the second one. Here we go. Some booties. Some racing boots. I wanted black because, and I'll show you why in a minute. But one of the reasons is, well, the other reason is I'm always getting my flipping shoes dirty. I like wearing white shoes, but I always get them dirty. So yeah, these are really nice ones. These are fire retardant or fire resistant, whatever it is, I'm not too sure. They're not karting ones, they're proper racing ones. But yeah, I tried them on. They fit well. Black, black. Now, oi. The name's Stig. Garthy Stig. I flipping wish. Yeah, it's good fit. A little bit tight around my jaw, but it'll bed in, and at least I know it's not going to go anywhere. Let's have a look at the other thing. Here is a racing suit. There's a bit of a story behind this. The post box that I used to use in Ancaster for my business, I got to know the two women at the post office there, and they know I've got a YouTube channel that has to do with cars. And I went in there one morning just to say hello to them, and there was this on the counter. About 14 months ago it would be now, and so I've had this for a month or two. About 14 months ago, actually, yeah, 14 months ago, they had one of their local customers come in, and he sent a whole whack of these off, 12 I think it was they said, via the post. Now, for some reason he didn't package this one up, or didn't want to send it, and he left it there. And they tried over the period of 12 months, 30 times to get him to come and pick up. And they called him 30 times. I guess there's some policy in place. I don't know whether it's 3 months or 6 months or whatever it is before they have to return them, or have to get rid of them if nobody comes and claims them. Anyway, it was a long overdue. So they dug it out and they said, do I want it? Because they're just going to throw it away. And so I grabbed it. I've given it a wash, it's come up quite nice. And the black should be good. So yeah, I've got everything I need. This is a fireproof one as well. Or fire resistant, I'm not too sure. I guess they have to last a certain amount of time under direct flame. So I've got everything I need. Well happy. So here we are in my get-up. Heat and flame retardant, boom boom, and boom boom. Little bit baggy, but not too tight around the crown jewels, which is great. So I am going to take you with me now. I'm just going to get this regalia off, and we're going to go and have a look at the NV Auto open house, you and I. Have a little mooch around there, and then, yeah, let's go and check it out. See you there. Toodle-pip. So I believe that this is the wife of the owners of NV Auto. I've seen it a couple of times down at the track. Absolutely gorgeous car. What a beauty. Old school Subaru. So much goodness here, it's difficult to know where to look. What a peach, eh? What a peach. It's got a little screamer pipe fitted. I love this wagon. Check this out. that's it, just a quick little flyby visit. They're really decent, the people that own Envy Auto. I've brought the Odyssey here and the Fiesta Fiona for a bit of work from time to time because they're so close to me. Anyway, I'm going to go home now and hopefully get up to the track this afternoon. So that's it for this one, blokes and blokettes. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You know the drill. If you enjoy the content, please make sure to tap that like button and subscribe. Why not? It's free. I'm hoping that I'll be able to drop another video shortly as a follow-on from this one, and then we'll be able to get back to some car stuff. By then, finances and my schedule will hopefully allow. So I'm looking forward to that. I hope you are too. And I'll see you all very soon. Toodle-pip.